Hello and welcome guys to my channel. Today we are going to make tiramisu. We need for this recipe whipping cream 300 grams, 4 eggs, 250 grams cream cheese, 150 grams ricotta, coffee, cocoa powder and lady fingers. Let's begin. Okay, so now we need to put 100 grams of sugar with whipping cream and whip it. Okay guys, now we need to whip the yellow of the eggs, and we need 50 grams of sugar with it. So I have the 50 grams here. Okay. So now we need to whip the whites. We add a pinch of salt and 50 grams of sugar. Like this amount of salt. And we add the sugar gradually. Okay guys, so when you see the peaks like that, it means the white eggs is done. Now we need to put the cream cheese with the ricotta and 100 grams of icing sugar. Now we need to add the egg yolks. Okay, and now we need to add the whipping cream. Okay, now we need to and after this we need to add the egg whites. Okay guys, so we are at the end. Now we need to add the egg whites bit by bit. We take a bit like that and we put the cream on it like that. Then we break it in the cream so it doesn't go away the air inside. Okay, we take another bit. If you want, you can put vanilla or caramel or strawberry. Okay, we finish all. Okay guys, so the cream is ready. It's very tasty and it smells very good. So now we need to dress it with the lady's fingers. Okay guys, so this is the lady's fingers. I didn't make them, so I purchased them, and we need to take a container like this one, and we need the coffee. Okay, so this is my coffee. We need to dip the lady's fingers in the coffee and then put it in the container. Okay, let's go. You can try to see how we are gonna make okay. We can put 3. Yeah, we can put 3. So we dip it and we pour it here. Yeah, we can take, if you want, a bit of coffee. And pour it on the dry sides, like that. Okay, so now we take a bit of cream, just like that. I always make a mess when I do this, so sorry, but it's very good, and we're gonna clean after, so it's not a problem. Okay, that's enough. And then we repeat the same. If you want two layers, you can make 2. If you want 3, you can make 3. It's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna put 3 layers. Okay, we're gonna do one like that. Okay guys, so I made the first one. I'm gonna make a second one, and we need to put it in the refrigerator for like 4 hours to 6 hours, and then we can put the cacao powder on it, and we can eat it. See you later. Bye bye. Hello. So after 4 hours, I'm gonna put the cacao powder on top of the tiramisu. we use one of this. I forgot the word. I'm gonna put it in here.